cabin companions wherever you are. On this occasion I will discuss about what eco racing is in the English version. Before I start the discussion, please like, comment, subscribe this video and hopefully useful. Eco racing is a fuel oil additive made from 100% organic ingredients. Eco racing is very safe for machines. There are two kinds of eco racing, namely eco racing for gasoline and eco racing for diesel. Eco racing can be used for all types of engines. Get used to motorcycle, car, heavy equipment, boat, factory, or also generator, and all types of engines using gasoline and diesel fuel. Eco racing is produced by the Indonesian nation. ITB undergraduate research results for more than 10 years. Eco racing has been tested by Dyno by Motor Plus. Test results prove engine performance can be maximized after using eco racing. Eco racing has passed the emission test by the official transportation service and workshops throughout Indonesia. Test results prove that eco racing is able to eliminate exhaust emissions by up to 100%. This is the first time in Indonesia and the first time in the world. Eco racing has been exported to Asia and Europe. More than 15 countries use eco racing. Eco racing is recognized by the world as a 100% emission and pollution-free energy saver. The following are the performance and benefits of eco racing. Eco racing can improve the quality of fuel oil, able to improve the quality of gasoline to Pertamax, able to improve the quality of Pertalite to Pertamax, able to improve the quality of Pertamax to Pertamax Turbo, and able to improve the quality of biodiesel into diesel. Eco racing provides care for the engine, descaling the tank, spark plug and combustion chamber. Eco racing also protects the engine with nanotechnology. The following is an illustration of burning fuel oil. During the fuel combustion process, eco racing oil is able to protect the friction between the engine and the cylinder. Smooths the piston movement. Engine performance becomes more maximal and makes the engine heat up quickly, and engine oil can be more durable. Eco racing is able to perfect combustion, eliminates knocking and tickling, increase power and acceleration. The following is an illustration of the combustion system. When the result of complete combustion of engine power and engine acceleration is maximized, it does not leave a crust and does not produce air volume. Eco racing can save energy, emission-free and pollution-free, save fuel oil by up to 50%, triples the life of the oil, and able to eliminate emissions and pollution up to 100%. Happy using eco racing. Get eco racing products from people who share this video.